Hello everyone, today I have a very nice topic and my topic is all schools should be private or not. According to me, all schools shouldn't be private because there are a lot of poverty in India and also all parents will not afford that much high fees for education.
Those who want to ask, raise their hand. Ask me.
But they give nice facility, you know what?
Yeah, but they take nice fees for that.
What fees means nice study style.
But they take nice fees for that. How much fees means? Can you please tell me how much fees in the private and how much fees in the government?
I don't
What
know
is the difference between
Next.
these?
but
You know that India is a poor country
Yeah.
and 74% people are poor.
Yeah.
So how will the poor peoples provide the education?
Next.
So I am saying that all schools shouldn't be private so that
Next,
they
okay.
can.
Would you like to tell which country has more literacy rate?
I don't know.
Canada. Canada has more literacy rate, and
Yeah.
Canada is the most Canada is very educated country because they converted their government school into private school.
But
Just
all
because of
the-
that. For example, USA, Canada, Germany,
Canada.
they also converted their government
But
school
their
into
people
private
are
school.
earning good. But
Yeah,
the
they are
people
earning
of
good.
there are
They
earning
are,
good.
those who are getting,
But
those who are
Indian-
studying, they are getting very nice knowledge, and they have their career
Do
option.
Indians earning the same means the
Okay,
same
good.
income as a
Okay,
country?
according to you, what is more important means education or money?
According to me, money is more important.
According to me, education is more important. That's why we have to means change the all
But
all
the people who don't have money, how will they
private
get
school.
education? How will they get education if people will not have money?
But government has means will be
Next. If you are talking about the government schools, if government can change the government school into the private, they can make a such kind of a policy
But
private schools are not allowed to take the high fees. Whatever they are, government make the policy according that.
But the government is still saying that do not take fees from means of children nowadays because it is corona time and you are not
government have
giving any
made
kind of that much
distance
facility.
because
You just take
because-
tuition fees
yeah,
from them.
that is the guideline.
But there are a lot of
Let me complete. Because the government has made the such kind of rules, whatever the private school and with
But
the government
private schools are not
do
following
they
that.
open their schools?
And after
Do they
privatization, no
open-
one listen to the
Next.
government.
Okay, nowadays the government schools are not private. Then after students are not studying, then how can you say they will that will be privatized so they will study?
Means which students are not studying?
A lot of government students
Means they
are always fail because they don't study. They don't like.
at least they fail. At least they fail in private school. They take fees and they pass into the
But
next
they
class.
don't-
There are a lot of students.
Listen,
There are a lot
most of the
examples.
students they don't like free facilities. That's why they don't take care of that thing.
Means there are a lot of students who take care of these things. They means in government school there are a lot of students who get nice marks.
And they are
Next.
from
There is
that
okay
family
study.
also.
You know, at the time of 1991, under LPG policy, we have converted a lot of sectors into private. Yeah, at the time also we were poor, and we have faced all that thing, and we did not get any kind of obstacle. So how can you say if we will provide privatize government schools, so we will get any
But
problem?
people will not
So,
suffer if they will not send their children to private schools
Listen,
because they
for
will
this
stop.
government will have any strict rule and regulation for the private school.
After privatization, the government who means no one listen to the
And then
government.
after privatizing, this our education system will also be increased.
Yeah,
Next.
because
in
the
private
students,
school, what is
the number of
these are
students
provided.
will be decreased. The number of students will be
Why is
decreased.
education level not same in both of school,
Which-
government and private?
But means most of the population
Why
of
do
children are going to
why do
government.
government students have to take tuition, extra tuitions? And there is you know there.
But not all the students are taking tuition because
So why
they don't have
why
fees.
don't every student
For
pass
that.
in exam?
Means it is at least better than the private
So
school.
why
They will not
why can't we find any topper from that government school?
It is not important to talk. Means,
It is
talk to be a
important.
topper. It is important that you have knowledge or not. There are a lot of students in government schools who get nice marks, 99%, 98%.
So why don't
it
we
is
become
not
topper?
important to be a topper?
Okay.
But we are getting nice marks in
Listen,
government schools.
instead of investing money in government school, government can pay the money of students in private school.
Yeah.
How is it bad?
But there are a lot of students. Means there are a lot of
Yeah.
students
So
who
first of all, when we will privatize, so it
section. You know that.
Same thing.
Yeah,
So this
but
is
then
okay.
if you are going to private
Do you
school, what is the need of
do you
taking that
agree?
much?
Do you agree that education is very important and government is spending day by day lots of money on government schools?
But
Instead of investing that, we
But
can
they
pay the
are-
fees of students
but
in
in
private
government
school
school, most
so
of
that
them-
they will be knowledgeable and they will get good education.
Means in government school, there most of the poor are going. Most of the means
Those who are going in government school, instead of making buildings and providing facilities in government school, we can pay those poor
But they
poor
also
students
provide
fee in private
facilities.
school. But so they will provide those facilities in private school so that the management will be good there.
Means some years before the electricity board of Delhi was
Yeah.
government, it was NDPL.
Yeah.
Now they have privatized it and now it is TDPL. Still after that the electricity charges are very low. Why?
But in
It is
MDs,
privatized, after that the electricity charges are low.
but schools and there is a difference between
Why? What is the
school
difference?
and there is difference
It
because
is
there
up
are
to
a
the
lot of
management, it
children
is up to the
are
rules and regulations of government. If they make
So why
good
didn't
rules,
government-
they can as like they are making the schools, they are investing the money in infrastructure. That money they can give to private schools and they children can
Tell
study
me why
there.
means why each and every student are preparing for the government school teachers. Why don't they in a private school?
No,
And
no,
there is a
no.
section.
There are
And
still,
we are
there are you can see the still population who which prepares for the government school.
Means
Why?
can you please
Why?
tell me how many students are going in government school nowadays?
A lot of
65.2% people
whatever,
are
yeah.
going.
So
Yeah.
if I want to
means
say
after
that, I want to
privatization, can we go to
they are
this
miss
school?
they are government is making a lots of school.
Yeah, nowadays.
Okay, thank you.